Meet LoadHive, the all-in-one transportation management system for small carriers and freight brokers. From finding freight to getting paid, run your entire operation in one place. Your dashboard opens with live numbers. HiveMind, your AI assistant, briefs you each morning and flags detention you would otherwise forget to bill. Dispatch loads on a live fleet map and assign drivers in seconds. Every load is here, filterable by status, customer, or driver. Open any load to view stops, live tracking, billing documents like BOL and POD, and process one-tap invoicing. Quote new business with live margins and let customers book online. Find backhauls on the built-in load board with rate quality scoring. The Bid Optimizer awards lanes and bundles to win more freight. Track driver locations, hours of service, pay, and compliance in one view. Manage your trucks and trailers with compliance documents on file. Onboard and vet carriers, checking safety ratings instantly. Track aging receivables and let customers pay online by card or ACH. Driver settlements automate escrow, per diem, and deductions. Quarterly fuel taxes are calculated by state automatically. Accounts payable tracks what you owe carriers and vendors with full aging. Compliance keeps you audit-ready with DVIR and drug program alerts. Reporting reveals your most profitable lanes and asset utilization. Connect QuickBooks, electronic logs, and load boards. Drivers get a mobile app to view loads, track hours, and upload documents. LoadHive is just $10 to $39 per user with a 14-day free trial. Start your free trial today.